Understanding physical properties. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial in both everyday life and science: physical properties. Understanding these properties can change the way you see the world around you. So, whether you're learning English or just curious about science, you're in the right place. Let's explore together what physical properties are and why they matter. Physical properties are characteristics of a material that can be observed or measured without changing the material's chemical composition. These properties are what we can see, touch, and feel. For instance, when you hold a piece of ice, its coldness, solid state, and transparency are all physical properties. Examples of physical properties include color, the appearance of an object due to the light it reflects or emits; density, how much mass is contained in a given volume; melting point, the temperature at which a solid turns into a liquid; boiling point, the temperature at which a liquid turns into a gas; hardness, how resistant a material is to shape change when a force is applied. Understanding these properties helps us to classify and use materials in our daily lives and in scientific research. Physical properties play a critical role in material selection. Knowing the properties of materials helps engineers and designers choose the right materials for specific applications. For example, metals with high heat conductivity are used for cooking utensils. Quality control. In manufacturing, monitoring the physical properties of products ensures they meet the required standards. Environmental science. Physical properties can indicate the health of ecosystems. For instance, the clarity of water can suggest its quality and suitability for life. By learning about physical properties, we gain the ability to make informed decisions in various fields. Observing and measuring physical properties doesn't always require sophisticated equipment. Many properties can be assessed through simple observation or with basic tools. 1. Look at the object. Its color, shape, and state, solid, liquid, or gas, provide immediate information about its physical properties. 2. Touch the object. Texture and temperature are physical properties that can be felt. 3. Measure using simple instruments. A thermometer can measure temperature, a ruler can measure dimensions, and a scale can measure weight. Engaging with the physical world through observation and measurement is a fundamental scientific skill. I hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of physical properties and how they influence everything around us. Understanding these properties enriches our learning of the English language and our interaction with the physical world. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored through their physical properties. Keep observing, keep learning, and see you in the next video.